Hello everyone. Today we are making avocado chapati. Start by cutting the ripe avocado into two halves. Remove the pit and scoop out the pulp into a bowl. Mash the avocado pulp until smooth using a fork or a potato masher. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour to the mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, half a tablespoon of carom seed, half a tablespoon lemon juice, half a tablespoon black pepper powder and salt, and pour in 2 tablespoons of oil, and then gradually add half a cup of water to knead the mixture into a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, divide it into a smaller portions and roll each portion into a ball. Dust a rolling surface with a flour and roll out each ball into thin circles similar to tortilla or chapati. Heat a skillet or a frying pan over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of ghee to the skillet. Place the rolled chapati onto the hot skillet and cook for a minute or until bubble starts to appear. Flip the chapati and cook the other side, applying ghee on both the sides until golden brown spots appear. Once they are done with cooking, remove the chapati from the skillet and stack them on a plate. Serve the avocado chapati hot with fresh yogurt or your favorite dipping sauce. This recipe makes for a nutritious and delicious meal. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.